Today, we're going to show you how to build your very own succulent flight, an elegant and easy way to display your favorite succulents. Start by adding a 1-inch drainage layer to each of your glass containers. This helps keep your succulent's roots healthy by preventing water from collecting at the bottom. Next, fill each container with a layer of soil. Now, take your first succulent plant and carefully remove it from the pot. Place it into one of the prepared containers. Fill any remaining gaps with more soil. Be sure to press down gently to remove any air pockets and keep everything stable. For a polished look, add a decorative layer of pebbles or bark around the base of each plant. This gives the flight a natural, cohesive appearance. Finally, use your terrarium tools to clean off any excess soil from the glass. Repeat the same steps for the other 2 containers. Now your succulent flight is ready to display. Cheers!